Guys, so today I'm opening a Hoya unboxing from Gardinos Nursery, and I'm actually out here in a different setup in my kitchen. I'm cooking and I just got the package and I want to do the unboxing right around here. So I got my package from Gardinos Nursery. I ordered these plants on Monday and it's already Thursday, and I got them in 3 days from Florida. So let's just go and get started with the unboxing. Now, Gardino has not been uploading their website because of the freezing temperatures around the states, and so what I recommend for you guys is to send them an email and ask them for what kind of Hoyas they have in stock, and then they'll send you an email, and then you can just reply to them with the Hoyas that you want, and they will reply back to you with your invoice, and all you gotta do is just pay them through PayPal or whatever, which is what I did. They sent me an email with like 9 or 10 different Hoyas, and I was only interested in 2, which are the 2 that I got here. So I'll try to make this video very short. So here's the first one. Now these were in 4-inch planters. So I'm gonna put this right here. 4-inch planters, so they're not gonna be big. And okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This one here, it's Hoya TJADASMALANGENSIS. You guys could see this beauty of a Hoya. Look at that. Veiny, glossy, shiny. This is also known as Hoya Paquillada or something like that. So I would leave an insert of that name of that Hoya in the video. But this Hoya arrived really great. I'm gonna do a little close up here, but as any of you could see right there, there is some new growth, a little tendril growing right there, and some little leaves. Wow, this one, it reminds me of Hoya Macrophylla clandestina. Very chunky, veiny leaves. Wow, very happy with this Hoya. Super nice. Okay, it has growth points all over, and yeah, I'm really happy. I'm always happy with ordering Hoyas from Gardinos. Like, you really cannot go wrong with them. They're not so expensive and they're easy to find. All right, so very nice Hoya. Next one here, I see a little tendril coming out right there, and you guys could see it right there. See a little tendril. Put this right here. Like, I don't know where to put stuff. Okay. Alright guys, so this one right there, this is Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA. You get a nice close-up of this Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA. See, it has a little baby leaf forming right there on the tendril. Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA. Oh god, I think it looks very nice, very neat. The leaves are very chunky too, very glossy, super healthy. And the fact that it's throwing tendrils, I kind of want to put it up like in a bamboo trellis and have it just wrap up in it and grow leaves. I think that this leaf will probably fall. As you guys can see, this leaf right here, I think this leaf will probably fall. But that's fine. I want to show you guys the veining on the leaves. It's amazing, guys. Like, it has so much veining on them. Very nice healthy plant, Hoya too. ERYTHROSTEMMA. I mentioned Hoya ERYTHRINA in the past video, and that was in my wish list, and it is on my wish list. But now I have the sister, which is Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA, which is right there. These are my two Hoyas that I got from Gardino, and I'm really impressed. What do you guys think? This is Hoya TJADASMALANGENSIS. Look at that. So this is just beautiful Hoya, and then this one is Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA. Alright, so before I left, I just wanted to show you guys a different closer look. This is Hoya ERYTHROSTEMMA, and I already watered it. It arrived dry, which is good. But I just wanted to show you guys a closer look at the leaves. You see the leaves look very nice. And this little baby leaf, I think it's gonna fall off, which is fine if it does. But see, it arrived super healthy, very nice tendrils. Super nice large tendrils. Two leaves in this, two plants in this Hoya, but look at the foliage. I think it's marvelous. So yeah, I watered it a little bit. I'm gonna let it dry out before I put it in my humidity box. And then here's this one is Hoya TJADASMALANGENSIS. I watered it. You can see there's some water on the bottom. I'm also gonna let this dry out, but you can see the foliage on this one is just crazy, and it is two plants in one pot, both of them with growth. This one has a little tendril growing right there, and then this other side, this other plant has a little active node right there growing, so that's really cool. This is Hoya TJADASMALANGENSIS. Sorry, it has a weird name, but yeah, I think it looks amazing. And also wanted to show you guys the other Hoyas that I have in here. See my Hoya Ribulubili is growing leaves right there, little leaves. My Hoya Sarawak also getting sun stressed. My Hoya Betalinoides, which is huge leaf, see. This one here is the Hoya Matoski, large. My Hoya, which one is this? Shepherdii with peduncles growing like crazy. See, it has peduncles going all over, even right there. That's a little peduncle. I have more Hoyas over here. And yeah, so I also have my Hoya Benguetensis right there. The leaf foliage on this Hoya is crazy good. But yeah. Okay, so with this Hoya I end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Had fun. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to drink water and water your plants. Water them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.